Welcome or welcome back to It's Cozy Crochet channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to crochet a 6 to 9 months old X twist headband, perfect for beginners and stylish to wear. The materials that we need have here a skein of yarn winter king 4-ply, 100% acrylic, a medium weight yarn, 2 weighs 50 grams, white in color, you can use any color of your choice. You also have a hook, a 3mm hook. I'm also going to use a pair of scissors. We need a darning needle and a tape measure. So let's move into the video. Grab your yarn and hook. Then let's start by working our slip knots. I'm going to chain 15. You can chain more or less depending on how wide you want your headband to be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Move into the next chain from the hook. Skip the first chain, the second chain from the hook. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through all, an extended single crochet. Into the next chain from the hook, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through all. Repeat, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through all. The last chain of our first row, chain one and turn, skip the first chain and go into the next loop from the hook. We are working into back loops only. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through all, an extended single crochet. Move into the next loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through all. Repeat, pull through one, pull through all, pull through one, pull through all. Proceed. I'll meet you here. Last two stitches of our second row, work an extended single crochet, chain one, then turn your work, skip the first stitch from the hook, move into the next loop from the hook, back loop, and work an extended single crochet. Proceed with extended single crochet in each back loop. You are repeating row 2. We are going to work 43 centimeter height. A 6 to 9 months old baby head circumference. Repeat row 3 until you attain 43 centimeters height. I'm on row 55. Let's check our heights. Grab your tape measure and our height is about 43 centimeters. So you're going to do single crochets around our edge. So chain 1, then place a single crochet in the middle of a stitch here, 2 single crochets, then on top of a stitch 1 single crochet. I'll place 2 single crochets in the middle of a stitch, then 1 single crochet. So proceed. I'll meet you here. At the corner here, I'm going to place 2 single crochets, 2 single crochets, then proceed with 1 single crochet in each stitch. At the corner, 2 single crochets, then proceed with 2 single crochets in the middle of a space, then 1 single crochet on top of a stitch. So proceed with single crochets across your edge. I'll meet you here. I'm winding up with 2 single crochets at the corner here, and chain 1, pull up a loop, and you're going to leave a good amount of yarn. Grab your scissor and snip off. Next, identify your right side, then bring these 2 ends together as so. Fold them, then slide them halfway in the middle as so. Grab your working yarn and darning needle, then feed in. Go under under the 4 sides without skipping any. Go under without skipping any. Don't skip any side. Go under the 4 sides without skipping any. And then continue weaving to the end. Move to the other end of the headband, as so. Proceed with weaving in to the end. Then I'll weave in my working yarn. Snip off the end and turn it inside out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and let me know in the comment what you'd love to see next. Happy crocheting, bye.